Thousands of people were interested in Tesla stock in a world where stock values fluctuate wildly and markets are unpredictable. Global experts took a risk by purchasing Tesla stock at a discount, about $130, and disclosing it to the public. However, they have a warning that might shake the Tesla community to its core. The future is uncertain and the stakes are enormous. Come along as we explore the core of experts' projections and uncover the crucial elements affecting Tesla's future. From interest rate effects to the elusive Cybertruck, which has the potential to make or ruin the firm. Hold on tight as we examine the bulls and bear sides of the Tesla tale. Find out why some people think this is the ideal time to buy in Tesla and discover how to navigate the wild waters of the stock market. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons first, though. Finally, it's time to fasten your seatbelt and explore the next destination on the Tesla voyage. Experts are raising the alarm and suggesting that Tesla's price could plummet to $200 or perhaps $175, perhaps even approaching the infamous $100 threshold. Not everything is sunshine and rainbows. Tesla's short-term prognosis appears bleak, which might be problematic for the stock price. What then is the source of all this turbulence? This is when things start to get interesting. Analysts are hinting that investors may have a special opportunity during this difficult time. You heard correctly in chance. They think that in the midst of the turmoil, the price may drop to between $100 and $200, providing opportunities for astute investors to make big gains. You know how they claim things like this are fleeting? Friends, that is the reality. Tesla stock didn't drop as much as anticipated, disappointing bears who had been eyeing the shares at a much lower price. Fear and doubt set in, and many people lost out on the opportunity to join in time. Consider Chicken Genius as an example. He declared outright that Tesla would crash to $140, and you know what happened? It took place. Then again, he predicted a far more dire future in which prices would fall as low as $60 or $80. Was it realized? Sort of. However, it appears he backed off from his forecast when the prices did match his expectations. Let's address the main issue now, the disturbing information that has the Tesla community on edge. According to our expert, Tesla is going through some difficult times, which they describe as quite concerning in the near future. However, why? Imagine this: the July-August delivery window for Tesla's models in the US was originally projected, but it has since been revised to August-September. That's correct. There are significant repercussions in the Tesla pool, because to the low backlog. However, there's more to it than what first appears. Our specialist identifies a few causes for this illness. Let's discuss the present interest rates, which are a big worry for both Tesla and prospective customers. For many people, getting a car loan has gotten more difficult due to rising rates. This is awful news for Tesla, particularly considering their goal of selling millions of units annually. These skyrocketing borrowing rates are now creating obstacles for Tesla's expansion into the middle-class market. It's growing harder and harder for consumers to buy the automobile they want when they try to secure loans for their ideal Tesla and are turned down by banks left and right. Imagine this: our eager investors had their sights set on the svelte and magnificent Model X just over a year ago. Everything appeared to be in place for them to buy their ideal automobile. But just when everyone was getting excited, the dreaded interest rates started to rise, which sent tremors through the stock market and left our investors with a difficult choice. Our investor was presented with a dilemma as he held the stack of Tesla stock increasing in one hand and the alluring Model X dreams in the other. For them, the decision seemed obvious. They decided to feed their enthusiasm for Tesla by acquiring even more of the company's shares rather than confront the Model X with those exorbitant borrowing rates. And for investors hoping to maximize their potential earnings in this uncertain market, these kinds of strategic decisions are essential. One thing is certain. Despite the uncertainty surrounding Tesla's stock price, its investors' unwavering passion and commitment will keep pushing the company forward. And who was responsible for them? A chance to purchase further Tesla shares on the market is like to winning a golden ticket to visit Willy Wonka's factory. However, the tale does not finish there. Fate returned to knock on the investor's door as his enthusiasm for Tesla rose. An opportunity to obtain the Model 11 became available, and it was irresistible. How very enticing. However, in order to finance the purchase, they would have to pay those feared high interest rates that they had previously avoided. The million-dollar dilemma is whether to finance the Model 11 or make the cash payment. And our investor is carefully weighing their alternatives. On the one hand, they wish to take advantage of the current low pricing and buy additional Tesla shares. On the other hand, they can't resist the Model 11's charm and the thrill of operating the newest Tesla creation. Our investor is keeping an eye on the future as they make their way through the financial maze. They are aware that Tesla's future quarters may not be all sunny, which could lead to swings in the stock price. They are unwavering in their resolve to avoid timing the market and to avoid causing a taxable event. It all comes down to riding out the storm and hanging on to Tesla stocks no matter what. Let's now discuss the vehicular marvel that's creating a lot of buzz, the Cybertruck. But hold on, did you anticipate it? Get ready for this revolutionary addition to the Tesla range. The first several quarters of a new car introduction aren't always the most profitable. But worry not, this enormous truck is expected to significantly boost Tesla's earnings in 2024. It's an emotional roller coaster, but one that will thrill enthusiasts and investors alike. Imagine this recently, Tesla, the innovative corporation that we all know and love, has been venturing into uncharted territory. When the Model Y went on sale in 2020, Tesla had its most recent product announcement. It resembled fireworks shooting higher and higher into the night sky. Now, with the advent of the Cybertruck, we're in for another extravaganza. Get ready for this amazing show that is about to begin, and don't miss the inevitable thrill it will provide. Here's the twist, though Wall Street isn't quite sold on the Cybertruck, despite its exciting introduction and more than 2 million reservations. Not yet. A few doubtful minds may mutter too expensive or speculate as to whether or not reservation holders will cancel. Hold on to your hats, though, because Wall Street may quickly change its tune if the Cybertruck lives up to the anticipation. As we wait for the money to come in and the actual potential to show itself, it's a thrilling moment. Let's now take a closer look at the stock market. At 54 ahead PE, Tesla is currently trading for about 3 times the average market price. It might seem overwhelming given estimates for 2024, but worry not, Tesla's growth possibilities are nothing short of extraordinary. Get ready for an incredible ride, as Tesla is expected to surpass normal stock sales and EPS growth rates by a factor of at least 5. Keep your eyes peeled, because the real worth of Tesla stock may be lurking underneath the surface. Our courageous investor muses over short-term uncertainties during this thrilling adventure. They know full well that in a hard recession, there might be drops in value of up to 50% or more for Tesla stock, making for an uneven ride. They are nevertheless unfazed, believing that the Cybertruck has enormous upside potential. It resembles a roller coaster with an abundance of exhilarating curves and turns, an exhilarating journey they are eager to experience. To sum up, the future of Tesla stock is still a fascinating riddle. Will the automobile sector undergo a revolution with the Cybertruck? And will the view on Wall Street change to its advantage? Time will tell. As investors, we must be steadfast in our belief in Tesla's long-term promise as we navigate the stock's ups and downs. I'd love to hear from you right now. How do you feel about the impending Cybertruck from Tesla and how that will affect the stock price? Do you think that Tesla will continue to grow, or do you have doubts about the company's future? In the comments section below, add your thoughts and join the discussion. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Tesla Stock News in order to receive updates on everything Tesla related, as well as the fascinating advancements in the finance and technology industries. I sincerely appreciate your time, and until we meet again, let's continue discovering the exciting world of Tesla together.